Howdy ho lads, hope you guys are doing well. Howdy, howdy, howdy ho. Okay. Uh so today we'll get started with an easy problem from LeetCode, but there are a couple of things, or specifically one thing I want to mention related to, and I'll just give the announcement what is going to happen from now on, at least for a month as of now. Because of the workload I have from the recent project I started, I need to spend some extra time on the project to get used to of the processes because it's a whole new system I'm working on, a really old one, right? There are no documentations available. There is nothing there. So and I am getting pressure a bit to perform more. So I and the majority of the developers which are actually know the system are in India, so I have to spend like this time, the India time, India's morning time on my work. So with that being said, I will be reducing the intensity. I had two choices. Either I like start having Monday, Wednesday, Friday lead code days, or I reduce the intensity of the lead codes but still remain consistent with every day um, with my work. So that's what I chose, right? Like I will rather be consistent. I will have easy problems at least for some time, right? So I'm doing easy problems. I'm still showing up every day to do some lead code problem, even though yeah, it won't be like 1 hour, 1.5 hour stream, but it will still. I'm going to try to be like do things as much as possible instead of just giving up on the stream. So hopefully in future I'm able to do this. I'm able to go back to medium level or even hard level problems, but for at least next couple weeks I will be spending more time just doing the easy ones and just one easy one at least a day, right? So the stream will be like between anywhere from half an hour to 40-45 minutes, right? Not like 1.5 hour streams which we had earlier. So hopefully you guys understand. I'm really sorry about this, right? And I will try as soon as the workload goes down, as soon as the pressure goes down, I will start going back. But yeah, that was the main announcement I wanted to give, and that's the reason. Like from last couple of days, the lead code has not been on my mind because other things kept on taking the what's this called priority, and I didn't want to lose the lead code I wanted to be because a lot of people in Discord are still doing like are coming and specifically joined the community because they thought and I had this promise that I will be doing lead code, right? So that has been the case, and I will make that announcement in the Discord, but I wanted to give it online first, right? So with that being said, let's get today's one. It is an easy one again, maximum depth of a binary tree. We just have to find what, if we have a binary tree like this, how we can find what is the maximum breadth or depth, right? So let's get started with that. I'll open my, I can just do it here, right? So I have, let's say, A, B, C. Important part to note, it's a binary tree, right? D, oh, E, F, G, right? This is the case. We have a binary tree. Now we have to find from the root given to us. This is our root. This is the root. We have to find what is the maximum depth. And let's see how the nodes are available to us. And let's read the question first, I guess. Given the root of a binary tree, return its maximum depth. A binary tree's maximum depth is the number of nodes along the longest path from the root node, from the root node down to the farthest leaf node, right? So, for example, in this case, we have 320 and 7 or 320, 15. Both are 3, right? In this case, 1 null left first is the left, then the right. So, left, then the right, left, then the right. So, 9 didn't have any, so it is null, whereas 15 and 7, right? And let's look at the code of the node itself. Value left and right. So we have to do it in a recursive way, right? What we do is, how to solve it is basically visit a node, and like a human, right? How we do it, like we visit a node, that's our root. We check its left, right? And then we add that, okay, depth is 1. Check its right, and depth remains same, right? Now we add all the, what's this called, uh, or not even that, actually, like instead of doing that, we'll go to left, right? Make max depth as 1, right? Then go to B, and from B we'll see, is there any left? No. So depth remains same. If there is C, increase the depth by 1, and then check its, right? If not, go back, trace back, then go to D, depth increase by 1. This is, let's say, if this was 0, this is plus 1. Go to E, same thing, right? Visit, check left, right? Then right, check left, and do this, or right, go to 1, right? Recursion, and return the visit and plus depth, plus plus, right? So we'll do that. So we have hopefully I'm audible though, right? Hopefully I'm audible. Yeah, I'm audible. Okay, that's good. Good to know. Good to know. Okay, so we have, let's say there's solution max depth, and max depth is equal to, let's say start with 1 if root is considered 1, right? Based on the problem. And we go return get max depth, and we'll give the node root and then max depth. Then we do define, we'll do this. Place the new road we visited, that will become the new one. So visited, it will be of type node, tree node. This will be int. If visited should be not be null, right? If and then there will be current depth. Yo, Idor, what's up, bro? How you doing, brother? Thank you so much, man. Hopefully, I have to like work according to India time a bit because I'm just stressed from work. But thank you so much for the link, mate. That is very helpful. I'm like trying to learn a little bit more in the game of AI. So that link is very helpful. Thank you so much, man. Hopefully, enjoy your day as well, man. Enjoy your day. Hope we'll chat soon. Hope to chat soon. PT like penetration tester, like the try hack me. Is that PT? What that means? That's the meaning of it. Oh, TCM one. Hi, Panda. Howdy, howdy. Oh, web penetration. Nice, man. All the best, bro. All the best. Current depth plus equals 1. What's up? Do you want to share it to the internet? Thank you, man. Thank you. So we have maximum depth, current depth, right? And then what I want to do is max depth equals current depth. Great. If it is the visited one, if the node we have increased the depth, that's good. If not, what we'll do is get current depth equals to max of current if visited equals none, return current depth, just in case, just for data handling. Everyone knows what? Everyone knows what? I'm actually interested now. Get oh lol. Okay, so we get maximum 1 and then we'll go with the left. Gotcha. I know what you're about to say. I know what to say. We have tree node visited dot left. Then we have max depth. Then current depth. I don't know why I keep spelling it wrong. I have no clue. I thought he will be here. I don't know. Maybe he's not able to go in this. Oh. So we have current depth, but here instead of left, we'll go to right. and then return current depth, and in the start we have current equals 0. Let's see. $13. Oh, I have to define it before. I'll go like this. Get max. Wait, why is not finding depth? Max depth, current depth. This is how you spell depth, right? Yeah. Yo, Ranch, what's up? And I was asking about you, bro. Rajeshwar, what's up, bro? What's up? Yo, lads, I had a announcement earlier. Howdy, bro. Howdy. Oh, but yeah, did you guys saw the announcement I made in the starting? Oh, Graham's can elbow. Oh, nice. Yeah, no, I actually had an announcement because of work related like I have a lot of workload because of the new project I started, and I was getting a bit pressurized to like show more stuff, like show more progress and all those things. So not yeah stress, but also like what I will be doing. I had two choices. If you saw last week, right, I was missing the LeetCode one because of the meeting. So what I have decided to do, instead of doing the medium problems, right, I want to stay consistent. Either I had two choices: either miss streams like I have Monday, Wednesday, Friday streams with LeetCode, or I can do same consistent streams every day, but instead of medium ones, I will be doing easy ones just to stay consistent. So that's what I chose, to stay consistent, going to do the easy ones, have a hard stop, right? But yeah, hopefully this just for a month, just for now, just for a month, because I want the try hack me ones to be doing as we are doing. But for a month, I will be doing the LeetCode ones, just small portions. Yeah. So that's the announcement I wanted to make. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. That's all I wanted, like some support from you guys. I'm sorry because I know we were doing a lot. We were doing 1.5 problems and stuff, 1.5 hour, 2 hours for problems. But because of the work stuff, I have to change it for a bit. He meant support. Support. Thank you so much, though. Thank you so much for understanding. That was the announcement. That was basically the announcement. Yeah, that's all I had, right? Nothing crazy, but like just wanted to be transparent about stuff. Why this is not working? That's one thing I have to ask. Root optional tree node. Okay, I'll play the ad on Twitch. One sec. I can't play for little bit, but once it's there, I will play it. Which question? 140, boss. Here's the one. Finding just the maximum depth of the binary tree. I'm just thinking in the sense, why this is not being coming. Exception in Python indicates that you are attempted to use a variable cannot find in the current scope. Wait, I was saying it's because he said thank you for understanding. Oh, CH bro, what do you think about yo, no, no, no. We don't talk about family. We don't talk about family. We don't talk about family. No, 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 no. No, Panda. No, no. We don't do that. CH bro, what do you think of what is the best algorithm for connecting out all the outer nodes to get full area? No idea. I have no idea what Panda said. I thought, okay. Oh, it's your mama joke. Okay. It's your mama. Joe mama joke. I see, I see. But I didn't get this one. Connecting out all outer nodes to get full area. I have no idea, boss. I don't know. I need maybe like a little bit more context to it. Hmm. But this is not working though. Like we take a shape square, we have 4 points, take them as nodes, and the outside of that square also has nodes. I do need to learn how to do it, but like we have a shape like square, okay? We have 4 points, take them as nodes, and the inside of the square also has nodes. We need the 4 nodes, I see. Okay, now for that, I think this is how I'm going to approach, right? This is just my I might have written the wait, hold up. Uh, okay, no, that's a different thing. Okay. Um Interesting. Okay, so this is how I would do it. There is that, but you don't have to do like overkill, right? What I'm thinking is, let's say there are like we know 4 nodes are there, right? And there are multiple nodes in there. We just need to find what is the mid node, right? Like I think I would need to think a little bit extra about this, but we need to find the middle one, right? And then we have to find what are the farthest one, right? If you know which one are the farthest, which is always going to be the corner ones, right? It won't be like even if it's on the line, this won't be the farthest, not the farthest, right? This point here, not the farthest. It has to be the corner ones, right? Yeah, yeah. So we have to find, like, we just have to get an aggregate of these points, right? Find a way that we can have like a, a midpoint of this, right? Once we have the middle point, then we can get like what shape it is, point one, then what area and everything. Because first point is like finding a center, then from center we know what shape it is. The problem comes in this thing is how to find aggregate. If you can find the aggregate, everything else will, because there can be like so many, the points could be like this almost. There could be just so many points only on one side, right? That's actually a good problem though. Like, how can we find? So I can like get back to. I will get back to you. Yes, you successfully distracted me. I was already finding an error, so not bad. But yeah, that would be like the way, if you are able to find like a, something that can help us link all them to a center. Wait, we have x and y, so we can still get this. We have x and y's for everything. If we have x and y, then I know like what is the minimum x, but will it work for something like this? What about? Yeah, it will work. So you just need to get the uh, maximum x, maximum y. If you even one of the dots have maximum x or maximum y, you can get like the centers. Yes. Yeah, x, y, and z. If it's a 3D, then you need x, y, and z. Yeah. And then you can reduce the shape, get the center of it, make the shape, and then you get the area or volume. I guess if 3D is volume. Yeah, I want to see why there is this error happening. I don't know why my brain is just now. Okay, visited was wrong, and then self. Okay, just use self. Okay, visited. Okay. Oh, it's a different line. Line 20. No. Okay. No, I can't. I don't know why. My eyes are not working right now. No, I can't. I just could not read it. Don't know what you mean, bro. I could not read it. Okay, so I have root maximum depth is 1. Okay, current depth is also actually 1. Goes in here. Root is not there like this. Current depth increase. Yes, maximum. Oh wait, no. Start from 0. So we have current depth. We increase it. Yes. Current depth here versus mm, uh, current depth left, right, max of beauty. That's not a good code then. Okay, that works. Yeah, that's all lads, and I think this is good enough. That's what we want, and yeah, I might even run it again. Might get 100% or like 50, yeah, 98%. There we go, dude. Okay, but this is all lads. This is I think visits every single node, so I think ON is going to be the complexity. Um, yeah, that's all it is because it has to visit every single node. Now the video, which video? Oh, we'll do it on the that day when we have on 24th night. So in 2 days, we have to do it on 24th night. I have to like complete some work. I really have to go for work. Sorry about that, but 24th night we can do because I know there won't be India team working on. It will be there 25th. They won't be working. We can have a very long stream. I will be doing my iPhone like what's it called unboxing, right? iPhone 17 Pro unboxing. We'll watch that video. Forget about this. Sorry. This is what I watch during my eating time. This is how my life is. Yeah. So 24th will be good one. Unboxing video 17 Pro will test certain things. Good part will be with 17 Pro. My current one, I can't make videos. I can't run VN editor. So from that on from January, I will have some small fun videos coming out, which will be about jokes about cybersecurity, or just memes and stuff, or even a good educational one, right? No, not giveaway. Not giveaway. Unboxing. If you want, right? Here's one more thing, right? Chinchan person, you're calling me Chinese? Yeah, so we will have like we have already with you and Panda, I believe, sent me the image, right? Oh, I'm dum dum. Yeah, that I agree. So I have 64 plus 18 from because of you guys. I think I will have 18 plus 18. plus, let's say, $20 more, 36 plus 20, so 56. That would be 126, 70, 120. We will have 120 minimum, right? Ready from this. You're at level 30, that's great. Yeah. No, so we at 130, please play if you can download the game, right? Because the we will do a giveaway, right? Around $100 of giveaway, and then it could include if you want AI credits, if you want just Visa, Mastercard, I can give you the code, or if you want like let's say UPI payment, that works, right? However you guys like, I will get it done. Oh, Shinchan. Oh yeah, Shinchan is the goat. So here you go, guys. Thank you so much. Please download it, play for 10-15 minutes, right? It will help increase the giveaway budget. And if you guys want, like, if I'm able to get 100 in a month, I have to do sponsorship for a whole year if you guys start making. Because this maximum one can reach is, I can reach 1,000 with this. And we could have, if a lot of people did it, downloaded it, we could reach and do iPhone giveaways. That's all I can say, right? Yes, that's why I'll give you your like I remember your one, and if you remember my promise, whoever do download it, right, do extra stuff, you will get extra money, right? Yep, yep. No, you will get extra money, 100%. So don't worry about that part. Whoever downloads it, does it, right, helps me, they will get extra money. I don't even know how much you can earn from this. What is the max? It doesn't matter, I guess. I don't have payment set up right now. But yeah, so please download the game, right? If you guys want, also the give Discord, there is currently a giveaway going on. A new giveaway for the new year is coming with the $100 worth of things out there, right? So yeah, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's stream. Thank you so much for understanding. I have to leave. I have to get some work done. So yeah, that's all I have for you. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Advent of Cyber stream. Right, we'll complete our day 23 Advent of Cyber. Just 3 more days left, and that's all. Yeah, slavery time, corporate slave mode on. Thank you so much, lads. Who are your masters? Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good, Ranch. Thank you. So thank you so much, lads. Hope you guys have a good one. This has been your favorite sniffer of packets, the neighborhood hacker, not so friendly, sometimes very friendly, sensor hacker signing off with a big bye. Thank you so much, lads. Have a good one. Bye.